Is it time to buy or sell Addex Therapeutics stock? In this video, we will explore Addex Therapeutics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 11th of September, 2025. And now we are here to offer a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 9th of September 2025, our system has ranked Addex Therapeutics as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.26. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.65%. This equates to an average return of 1.55% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may serve as an early signal of a potential trend shift. During this reaction, support is expected at the ceiling of the current trend that has been breached, which stands at $8.75. This level could present a second opportunity for a significant upward movement. According to fan theory, $10.55 could be the next possible peak for the trend, representing a resistance level that may prove difficult to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 9.9% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 28.67% to negative 10.20%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 12.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 41.33% to negative 1.98% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $5.15 and $8.61. Our latest daily update for Addex Therapeutics highlights significant movements in Addex Therapeutics Ltd. stock price on Thursday, with a fluctuation of 12.56% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 11th of September 2025, the Addex Therapeutics Ltd. stock price increased by 5.15%, rising from $8.35 to $8.78. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 12.56%, with a low of $7.80 and a high of $8.78. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been an overall gain of 11.14%. The trading volume on the last day also increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 5,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 5,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $45,180. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $11.84, while the lowest price recorded was $6.51. Currently, the price stands 25.84%, or $3.06, below the 52-week high, and 80.75%, or $36.82, below the all-time high recorded on the 1st of March 2023, when the price peaked at $45.60. Addex Therapeutics, ticker ADXN, has been active this summer, and that activity is likely to influence both near-term sentiment and longer-term value. In recent months, the company led an investment of 2 million Swiss francs in Stalicla to advance precision medicine programs in neurodevelopmental and neuropsychiatric disorders. They also regained rights to their Phase 2 mGlu2 asset, ADX71149, and entered an option agreement on mGlu5 intellectual property for brain injury recovery. Preclinical data indicates that their GABA-BAB positive allosteric modulator provides significant antitussive effects across chronic cough models. Additionally, their partner, Indivior, has progressed a GABA-BAB PAM through investigational new drug-enabling studies. Shareholders approved all resolutions during the annual general meeting, and the firm reported a modest cash balance at the end of the quarter. In the short term, this series of news is expected to foster a positive sentiment, encouraging preclinical results and partner milestones typically enhance momentum, while the investment in Stalicla indicates a strategic expansion of their pipeline. However, the limited cash position and ongoing clinical ambitions heighten the likelihood of short-term financing needs or dependency on partners, which could exert pressure on the stock if concerns about dilution or uncertain funding arise in the market narrative. Looking further ahead, the value of ADXN hinges on their ability to transform these programs into clinical successes, secure partner agreements, and generate milestone royalties. If ADXN can finance pivotal trials or secure licensing agreements, the potential for upside is significant. Conversely, failure to achieve these goals or negative clinical outcomes would substantially impair their valuation. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned ADXN a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Addex Therapeutics stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Addex Therapeutics. Mostly positive signals are evident in today's chart. The stock of Addex Therapeutics Ltd. holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the lines at $8.22 and $8.08. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. And thus far, the stock has increased by 16.45%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has been confirmed from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Addex Therapeutics Ltd. has experienced increased trading volume following the recent rise in price. This is regarded as a technically positive sign, as volume should ideally align with price movements. However, the current very low volume heightens risk and diminishes the reliability of the other technical signals being issued. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Addex Therapeutics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.21 and $8.11. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may result in the stock declining to the next support level. In this case, Addex Therapeutics Ltd. finds support just below today's level at $8.21. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.11 and $7.83. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated 98 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 12.56%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 7.10%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Addex Therapeutics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low price-to-earnings ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Addex Therapeutics. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Addex Therapeutics is at $9. If you do not currently own any shares, you may wish to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Addex Therapeutics faces its first support level at $8.21. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.47, reflecting a decline of 3.57%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is Addex Therapeutics stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the breakout from the declining trend suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that prices around the breakout point will indicate particularly favorable levels, while the current level also represents a strong buying opportunity for the short term. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a hold to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 12th of September, we anticipate Addex Therapeutics will open lower by approximately 33 cents, starting trading at $8.45. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.